Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to troubleshoot Telegram app crashes. So let's get started with the video. First, you need to make sure that you are connected to stable internet connection. You can switch from Wi-Fi to cellular and to vice versa. The next thing is you need to go to the Play Store, or if you are using an iPhone, you can go to App Store and make sure that you're using the updated version of Telegram. Go to search icon, search for Telegram application. Here you will get an option of update. Click on this update icon and make sure that the Telegram is updated one and check once. The next thing which you can do is try to clear cache. Again, go to the settings of your phone, go to the search bar and search for Telegram. Here you need to scroll down, go to the storage section and then click on clear cache at below right corner. Post that, what you can do is you can try to uninstall and install the application once. At last, you can click here on uninstall. A pop-up window will come. You need to click on OK. And then you can again go to the Play Store and install the application from here. So these are the ways how you can troubleshoot Telegram. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.